Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Installing Python Numba Dependency llvmlite on Fedora 21. Introduction. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of installing the Python Numba dependency llvmlite on a Fedora 21 system. Numba is a just-in-time (JIT) compiler for Python that can significantly speed up your code, while llvmlite is a low-level, lightweight library used by Numba to generate LLVM code. Please note that Fedora 21 is quite old, and you might encounter some compatibility issues due to its outdated libraries. If possible, it's recommended to use a more recent version of Fedora. Let's get started. Step 1. Update your system. Before installing any packages, it's a good practice to update your system to ensure you have the latest package information and security updates. Open a terminal and run the following command. Step 2. Install prerequisites. You'll need a few prerequisites to build and install llvmlite. Install the necessary packages using the Package Manager, DNF. Step 3. Install llvmlite using pip. Now, you can install llvmlite using pip, which is the Python Package Manager. This command will download, compile, and install llvmlite and its dependencies. Step 4. Verify the installation. To confirm that llvmlite has been successfully installed, you can create a simple Python script and run it. Create a Python script, example check_llvmlite.py, with the following content. Save the file and then run it. If you see the llvmlite is installed and working message, it means llvmlite has been installed successfully. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we've demonstrated how to install the Python Numba dependency llvmlite on a Fedora 21 system. Keep in mind that Fedora 21 is quite old, and you might encounter compatibility issues with more recent packages and libraries. Consider upgrading to a more recent version of Fedora for better compatibility and security. ChatGPT.